Hey, bud. Ooh, what is up, everybody? We just spent the day driving through Wyoming. Wyoming is literally in the middle of freaking nowhere, and I have never experienced something like that. It was extremely boring at times, but also we drove through like pelting snow as well as like 40-mile-an-hour winds. But we made it to this crazy free campsite, and we drove down this insane road. It looked like we were just driving towards nothing. And now we're just like secluded in this insane part of the world. I'm stoked you guys are with me because, man, we are freaking out here right now. We are making our way back to North Carolina. So we're just trying to hit up as many cool spots on the way home as possible while keeping ourselves isolated from people and humanity, staying healthy, and yeah, just trekking on back to NC. Tell them why you're doing that.
No.
Yeah, dude. Tell them what you're doing.
I don't wanna.
Come on.
No.
All right, we're gargling. Shit. We're gargling what? What is it? Apple cider vinegar and salt to keep the corona away.
Have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna meet, who you're
There's a what?
How did you not see that there's an entire leg?
A leg?
Like,
Oh my god. What? The leg to like a deer or something?
definitely.
because you don't know who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna
All right, guys. This is what Wyoming looks like. I'm surfing right now. All right, I'm coming back here to grab my old hard drive because we are throwing it back. We're going top 10 Living Without Walls intros of 2019 and 2020. Let's do it. That was one heck of a situation in there. Oh my God. So Nick's waiting on a copy of his title. It's straight up savage out here. Feeling super nervous. We can't find the border. And there's border patrol everywhere with masks on four-wheelers, and it's scary. Feeling crazy right now. Oh my gosh. Dude, there's so many! Really the craziest thing I've ever seen. One of the freaking cows had a baby on the ground. Moved a barbed wire fence so we could continue driving. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the top 10 intros from Living Without Walls from 2019 through 2020. Let me know what you think is number one. And yeah, let's get back to the vlog. Well, guys, we're in f***ing Nebraska.
The wind's blowing it all back in here.
Alright, while Amanda was doing her yoga, I found some firewood. We're looking pretty decent, guys. I mean, not bad. This is definitely one of the better fires that I've made in quite a while. It's just whenever you can sit back and your whole body is like warm, not just your legs or your knees or whatever, it's like really generating a lot of heat. It's sick. Feels awesome to be out here doing this right now when I know a lot of people are stuck at home, and we've been honestly off grid for, I don't know, since we left Tahoe. Pretty much. And yeah, there's like a truck behind me right now, but there's just no one out in these places right now. And I mean, Nebraska definitely does not have a corona problem. There's literally a bathroom over here at this free campsite with rolls of toilet paper just sitting out, extras. You could just take them if you wanted to, but it's just not even an issue around here. So really thankful to be out here right now, and man, it feels good.